to avoid moving the entire IPL event out of Maharashtra, the BCCI has now asked 3 IPL teams, Kings 11 Punjab, Mumbai Indians and Rising Pune Super Giants, whose home matches are in the state, to contribute to the drought-affected areas. So that's the order as of now. That's the proposal, in a sense, the BCCI that has made. 3 IPL teams are being asked to pitch in and help and contribute to the drought-affected areas. Harini Rana is joining me on the phone line. Harini, is this a way to sort of wriggle out of the controversy that BCCI is facing? Will this help the fact that, you are asking the teams to contribute to the drought-affected areas? Is there any mention of the water issue? Because that is the pointed question we are asking here.
Well, absolutely. This comes after the 3 direct questions from the Bombay High Court to the BCCI. One, of course, the fund contribution, but the news is that the second question that was asked to the BCCI in terms of will you ensure that equivalent amount of water that's being used in these 3 areas will be sent out to the drought-affected areas, to which BCCI has reached out to the 3 franchises, that's Mumbai, Pune and the Kings 11 Punjab franchise, in terms of what would they be agreeable to this clause. What we're given to understand, one of the franchises already given in writing to the BCCI for their agreeal on this agreement of helping the drought-affected people in Marathwada to reach the water, to send out the water. However, the two more franchises need to revert back. But what we're given to understand, there has been an informal conversation that has happened between the IPL authorities along with the team owners of these 3 franchises who are the affected franchise of the matches that are going to be held in Maharashtra.
Yes.
And this, in a way, is a clear strategy by the BCCI in terms of not willing to relent, not willing to move the matches out of Maharashtra. But after the sewage treated water theory, it has now come down to the BCCI asking the franchise to ensure that water reaches the drought-affected area, but not willing to move the matches out of Maharashtra at all.
कि ना हम कोई पोर्टेबल पानी लेंगे जिसके ग्राउंड के रखरखाव के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाए। मुंबई क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन ने जो सीवरेज ट्रीटेड पानी है उसके इस्तेमाल की बात कही है और हमने कोर्ट में स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा है कि हम किसी भी तरह से ऐसे पानी का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे जो लोगों के पीने के लिए हो या जिसको टैंकर से लाकर इस्तेमाल किया जाए। हम उस पक्ष में नहीं हैं।